Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to plug in the USB drive to your Poco phone. You can see that my Poco phone has a USB-C port. It's most probable that yours has it too, but in some rare cases, some older Poco phones may have the micro USB port. So you just need to either have a USB that fits that port. So in my case, it will be a USB-C USB drive. Or if you have the USB-A USB drive and you want to plug it in, then you'll need to use an adapter, which you can buy online. That will just have the female USB-A port to male USB-C, and you'll be able to connect it then. So I'm gonna just plug in this device. You can see it has both ports. I can plug it in just like that. Then I can unlock my phone. You can see it shows in the notifications that I have the USB drive plugged in. And when I go to the files, I can, in the files, see the USB drive right here. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.